Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia if you're new here. Hi! And I already have my eyebrows on, and today we are going to be using the Kylie Jenner palette in the summer collection, my favorite palette. First I'm going to use a soft blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this light neutral color just to start off as a base on my eyeshadow. And I already have my eyes primed with eyeshadow primer and just a base. Next, I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush and go in with these two brown colors. I'm going to start blending those in my outer corner. And I want to start off lightly and blend up with building colors. Now I'm going to go in with another packing brush and go in with this orangish color. And now I'm going to pack that in my outer corner too, just to darken the crease. And this is a nice summer orange glowy look. And you always want to start off light and then build off. Now I'm going to go in with the same brush I used for those two light brown colors, and I'm going to go back in and start blending this to make it nice and soft. You always want to make sure you blend your eyeshadow. Another tip is to always hold your brush lightly. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and start doing a cut crease. And if you ever have trouble doing a cut crease, I always put the concealer on my eyelid, then look up, and it usually gives you an outline of where you need to place your concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this gold color and start packing it on top of the concealer that I did not put any eyeshadow on top of. You want that to be a sticky base for your shimmer. I also put it on my finger just to make it pop more. Then I'm going to go back in with this orange shade and start blending these two shades together. You don't want that to look too harsh. Now I'm going to use my Tarte Man Eater eyeliner and do my eyeliner. This is also one of my favorite eyeliners. It usually stays all day and it's very easy to put on. Okay, I already put on my lashes and they are from Lalalashes. You can use my code Alicia20 for 20% off. Next, I'm going to use my Milani foundation, and first I'm going to put my Prime and Set Primer Water from Smashbox. I do like this foundation, but it is very full coverage and you can tell by wearing it. I like to wear a light foundation. I don't like feeling that I have a bunch of foundation on, but this one, it covers my acne, so I'm happy. Next, I'm going to use my Kylie concealer, which I am running out of, and I am very sad about. I love this concealer. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia contour palette, and I'm going to use a brush first and go over it with my Real Techniques blender. Now you always want to start off light and build up. I also like to put this under my lips and over the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced setting powder, and bake underneath my eyes. And you always want to make sure to fix your creases before you set them. Then I use what's left over in the cap with a big a big fluffy brush, sorry, and just put that all over my face. Gosh, I cannot talk today. Now I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer, which is in the wrong shade, which I am very mad about. I meant to pick up the light, but I was in a rush, so I just grabbed the regular, and I am not that tan. So I'm going to put this on very lightly. Now I'm going to use that same brush I used to put those two brown colors on and put it under my eye. Now I'm going to use my Ultra highlighter, very blinding. Use a tiny brush and put that under my eyebrow bone and also into my inner corner. Next I am going to also put that with a Real Techniques brush on my highlighting area, my cheeks, and also my bridge of my nose and the top of my lip. This highlighter is super bright. Next I'm going to use my roller lash and coat the bottom of my eyelashes. Oh, sorry, I'm using my lip liner from Maybelline in the shade Nude. And now I'm going to go in with my lipstick from Kylie from the Stormy collection, I think in the shade Nova. Then realizing I don't want this, I'm going to wipe it off and use my Lip Injections Extreme. Okay guys, I know I'm terrible. I forgot to film an outro, so this was my look for today and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye!